Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick review. These are Peruvian mandarins. They're at the grocery store and I was like, oh, and they look different, so let's do a quick taste test. So if you look here, they have a much deeper orange color, okay? And the skin is way softer. And I'm going to peel them off right now, do a quick taste test for you. And it has a nice aroma to it as well. Very fragrant like a mandarin would have, but oh, the texture is really hard too. Check this out. So if you see there, the texture is really crispy. Like when you bite into it, it's really juicy. So definitely check it out, guys. Not like your typical one. And if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It is sweet, very fragrant, not sour at all.